Motorola Edge 50 Pro XT2403 EDL test point 9008 mode. Here is the Motorola Edge 50 Pro XT2403 EDL test point to enter Qualcomm 9008 mode. Short these 2 points on the motherboard to force the device into emergency download mode for flashing firmware, FRP bypass, dead boot repair, or pattern unlock. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. Like most Qualcomm devices, it has dedicated EDL test points on the PCB that let you bypass software locks and access the flash mode directly. This method works even when the phone is bricked, stuck on the logo, or FRP locked. What is EDL mode? EDL, Emergency Download Mode, is a low-level boot mode built into Qualcomm chipsets. When the phone enters EDL mode, the PC detects it as Qualcomm HSUSB QTloader 9008 or 900E. In this mode, you can flash firmware, repair IMEI, remove FRP, or unbrick the device using tools like QPSD, QFIL, Unlock Tool, or EFD Pro Dongle. Motorola Edge 50 Pro EDL test point image. Requirements: Qualcomm USB drivers installed on your PC, QPSD/QFIL tool, or any Qualcomm flashing tool, a pair of tweezers or thin copper wire to short the test points, USB data cable, fully charged battery, optional. EDL works even without battery. How to boot Motorola Edge 50 Pro into EDL mode 9008. Power off the Motorola Edge 50 Pro completely. Remove the back cover and locate the EDL test points on the motherboard. Refer to the image above. Use tweezers or copper wire to short the 2 EDL test points. Keep the points shorted and connect the phone to your PC via USB cable. Release the tweezers after 5 to 7 seconds. Open Device Manager on your PC. You should see Qualcomm HSUSB QTloader 9008 or 900E. Open QFIL or your preferred flashing tool and load the firmware programmer file. Start flashing. Once done, disconnect and reboot the phone. Uses of EDL test point. Unbrick dead or soft-bricked Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Bypass FRP, Google account lock. Remove pattern, PIN, or password lock. Flash stock firmware or custom ROM. Repair IMEI or network issues. Fix boot loop or logo stuck. Tools like Unlock Tool and Easy JTAG Plus Box have built-in EDL boot functions. If the phone is detected in any Qualcomm mode, these tools can send the EDL command automatically. Frequently asked questions. Does Motorola Edge 50 Pro support EDL mode? Yes. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro XT2403 with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset supports Qualcomm EDL 9008 mode through the hardware test point method. What tool do I need to flash in EDL mode? You can use QPSD, QFIL, Unlock Tool, EFD Pro Dongle, or any Qualcomm-compatible EDL flashing tool that supports Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Can I brick my phone using EDL mode? If you flash the correct firmware for XT2403, the process is safe. Flashing wrong firmware can cause boot issues. Always verify the firmware before flashing. Do I need to remove the battery for EDL mode? No. EDL mode works with or without the battery connected. However, keeping the battery connected during flashing is recommended to avoid power loss. What is the model number of Motorola Edge 50 Pro? The model number is XT2403. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 and runs Android 14, upgradable to Android 15. Final thoughts. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro EDL test point gives you full access to Qualcomm flash mode. Whether you need to unbrick the device, remove FRP, or flash stock firmware, this method works every time. Keep the test point location saved for future repairs.